Okay. All right, y'all. This is a good one for if you're living alone, wanting to cook, or you just need to make a meal for one. You want a good hearty breakfast. Get you some ground beef. Throw it on there. While that's cooking, we're gonna go ahead and get our egg going too. And while that's cooking, we're also gonna go ahead and throw some hash browns up on there. And while that's cooking, we're gonna throw some bacon too. I already cooked this bacon. You can have cooked or non-cooked, let it all cook together. Get that egg contained. All right, follow me. While that is cooking in the skillet, what you're gonna wanna do is come on over to y'all, I don't know where my wife put our toaster. You wanna get your toaster and plug it in and come over here and toast your bagels. Simple. All right, you still rolling? All right, come back over here. Let's check on our burger. All right, while that's cooking, put our seasoning on our burger. Some people don't like garlic in the morning because they're about to be talking to their coworkers and stuff. But luckily, I work from home. Keep frying it up. Do your egg however you want it. Flip that burger. All right, let's go back over and check on our bagels, see if those are ready yet. We'll see. I don't want mine super toasty, so I'm gonna pop mine up. I just want them a little bit warm. Get these guys ready to go. Ignore the lasagna. All right, while that burger's finishing up, wouldn't be complete for me at least without some cheese up on there. Let that get melted on. Let's go ahead and remove our egg. That looks about right. I like it a little runny, so when I bite it, it gives a little bleed, you know what I'm saying? We'll have her waiting. All right, we got our patty. We'll throw it up on there. And then we want to put the egg on top of the patty. Oh, look how pretty that is. Throw our hash browns on top. You don't need a bunch because it's all just for one sandwich. Last but definitely not least, throw our bacon up on there. God bless America. Put it on top. Watch it bleed. Look at that. There you go, your breakfast sandwich. It's real good.